Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha.
Incredible. One of the worst performances of my career, and they never doubted it for a second.
Hey plant peeps, I'm at the Shelburne Museum in Vermont, and while they have lots of cool stuff here, I'm here for the gardens. I gotta be honest, I miss some of these annual plants that I just have a really hard time growing in Southern California. Not that I can't, I just don't like $700 water bills. I used to have a massive collection of hostas. I kind of miss these as well. Remind me to do this to my fruit trees. Oh my gosh, what beautiful zinnia. The black-eyed Susans are putting on a show. The echinaceas are beautiful right next to the phlox. Study that color wheel, peeps. It can really help with your plant composition. This is a wonderful marsh garden. I'm just loving the weeping willow, just kind of like dancing on the water. Pro tip, do not bring cattails into your home unless you seal them with something. Remember to stop and smell the roses.
How does this turn into this? Puberty and I'm like a freaking buzz.
Hey plant peeps, to leave in the pot or unpot? That's the question. Oh my God, I lost my tooth. My freaking veneer fell off. Ugh. One must press on and make content. This is definitely pot bound. You can see the roots coming out from the bottom. And it looks good. I mean, lots of healthy roots here, but let's see what else is going on. And there it is. This plant had been in a much smaller pot, and when it got repotted to the next size up, none of this was taken apart. This right here can keep your plants from getting thoroughly watered. Growers do this to save time, and that's why you should check to see what your roots are doing. Fun fact, dentists are not open on Friday. So remember to check those roots, and if you had eggs for breakfast and you spit them out because you thought you bit into shell, that might actually be your tooth. Oh my goodness. Well, it looks like blueberries are on the menu today. I got my bucket, and these are my rows. Okay, but let's just take a look because this place is absolutely massive. I'm just making sure it's fit for human consumption. And that's quite possibly the best blueberry I've had in my life. They're really good. Just testing a few more. Well, I have enough blueberries here that I should be able to eat a handful every 10 minutes until I pass out. And then another handful every 5 minutes after that. Just a few more. I can't resist. So I got 5 pounds of blueberries for $14. Tell them where we are.
Pelkey's Blueberry Farm.
So we're at Pelkey's Blueberry Farm. You should come out and visit. Hey plant peeps. I think it goes without saying that if you are into plants, you may also have a slight obsession with rocks. And right now, I'm having a moment. Okay, so like the beach is made out of shards, I guess, of slate. And they all came from, well, somewhere along here. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so stinking cool. I can't even right now. Well, this is a wonderful selfie moment. I'm also wondering about the statistical possibility that one of these chunks might just pop down and hit me on the head. This moment would be so much better if my damn tooth hadn't fallen off.